Hello student, welcome to online education, that is for English medium, and the subject is mathematics. Standard 5th session 2. So students, we have learned about the parameter in the last video in the detail, how to find the parameter, and we come to know that parameter is nothing but a boundary length of a given figure. Today we'll go for the area. Chapter 3rd, how many squares. Okay, the points to be discussed over here today we have is, that is area. We have already learned perimeter in the last video. Today we'll go for the area in the detailed explanations. Let us go ahead. Okay, what is area? First of all, we'll go for the definitions of area, that is the space occupied by a flat surface or an object is called an area. It means, let me show you. Here you can see that this is a, you can believe whatever, suppose it is a garden or a square area, okay, or a square space around you or somewhere else. So what we find inside this shape, okay, so this is all nothing but an area. Okay, तो इनर साइड का जो भी स्पेस है वो सारा स्पेस और क्या है, एरिया है. और बाउंड्री आप देख रहे हो, बाउंड्री लेंथ आप देख रहे हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैरामीटर ऑफ गिवन फिगर. ओके, तो इनर साइड का जितना भी स्पेस है दैट इज नथिंग बट अ एरिया. Okay students, we'll go ahead. Here you can see that what is area, the amount of space that a figure encloses, that is called of area. Number of square unit that covers a shape or a figure. For example, a square we have, suppose we draw a square line bar. The number of squares over here we have of 1 centimeter, that covers how many squares we have, that are, that become an area of given figure. Okay, that we'll learn in the textual exercise when we are supposed to explain. Okay, presently we'll go for the area finding. Okay, it is two dimensional, it is always answered in a square units. Okay, it's a square unit, क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर में हम उसको ने मेजर करेंगे तो आंसर भी उसका जब भी लिखेंगे तो विल राइट आइदर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर और स्क्वायर मीटर. ओके, गो अहेड. Finding of area, there's a finding of parameters are, here we have a finding of area. Okay, here I have a solutions. If I want to find the area of square, we'll just write length multiply length, means length multiply length. Okay, and if I want to find the area of rectangle, again is length multiply by breadth. Okay, note it is answered in a square units. Okay, like whatever answer you will write of area, you will write in square centimeter. Either, for example, 12 if the answer, so 12 will be written as a square, 12 square centimeter or 12 square meter. Okay, so this way you can answer the area. Go ahead. Examples. Finding area of the following. Okay, here is a solution of illustrations or example. The area of square equal of any two sides of multiple together. Okay, means here our sides and here our sides, when it will be multiplied together it will become a area. So 7 7 are 49 square centimeter. So this you can write like this also, square centimeter. Okay, what is square centimeter? Means centimeter will be repeated two times. Okay, and that is called a square centimeters, that's why it is written as square centimeter. But we will write answer as 49 square centimeter or a meter. Okay, go ahead. Okay, next we have a figure in front of us. What is written over here is, all side has a 5 centimeter, means length of square will be 5 centimeter. And if length we have given, okay, wait, if length we have given, okay, that is 5 centimeter, तो स्क्वायर की लेंथ क्या है 5 सेंटीमीटर. So what is the formula to find the area of square? That is length multiplied by length. So one length we can take, okay, that is 5 centimeter, will be multiplied with a 5 and answer will get 25 5 are 25 square centimeter. Okay students, this way you can find the area of given figure or shape. Okay, next we have another shape that is a length that it has is 8 centimeter and breadth it has is 3 centimeter. So length we have a 8 and breadth we have a 3 centimeter. Okay, so this way you can again find the formula, write the formula of area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. 8 will be multiplied with 3, 8 3 are 24 square centimeter will be the area of given figure. Okay, that is a rectangle shape. We'll go ahead. Okay, next we have a 21 centimeter, that is only length we have. Now we have given a numbers. Okay, so by getting a numbers, by using a number we'll find the area of either of square or a rectangle. Okay, that will get to know. Only length will be given. I told you in parameter also, if length is given so it will be about square only. Okay, because squares length is same, 21 21 21 21 same as. Okay, so this way you can go ahead. So length is 21 centimeter, this will be the area of square only. Okay students, and we know the formula of area of square, that is length multiplied by length, which is 21 will be multiplied with the 21. Okay, you will get the answer as 441 square centimeter. Go ahead. Okay, next I have 39 meter. Okay, what we do the same. Okay, 39 will be multiplied with the 39. Okay, you will get the answer as 1521 square meter. Okay, why it is meter? Because the length we have given in a meter, so it will be written as square meter, not centimeter. Okay, this you have to keep in mind when you are supposed to write an answer, because in parameter only we write centimeter or meter after answer, but in the area we just have to mention square also, or your answer will be considered as wrong answer. Go ahead. Okay, length we have given is 27 centimeter and a 17 centimeter. It means this will be the area of rectangle, because length and breadth both are given. So we'll write the formula of area of rectangle, and length multiplied breadth, it is a formula of to find the rectangle area. Okay, so it will be multiplied together and we'll get the answer as 459 square meter. Okay, sorry, it's centimeter. Okay, we'll go ahead students. Okay, next we have 31 meter and breadth we have a 24 meter. Same what we did in the last third number, we'll go for the fourth also, because length and breadth are given, so it will be multiplied together, and area of rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. Okay, when it will be multiplied, they will be multiplied together, we'll get answer as 744 square meter. Okay, so this way you can go ahead students, because you have a formula right now, and if you have a formula to find any question, so it will be easy for you to find it. Okay, we'll go ahead. Some more example, this I'll do with your with own. For example, 12 we have given and 7, so students what it will be, means length will be 12 centimeter and breadth will be 7 centimeter. Okay, what we do is, we first of all write the formula of rectangle. Okay, because length and breadth is given, so it will be area of rectangle. So length multiply breadth will be written. Okay, 12 will be multiplied with 7. So 12 sevens are, yes, 84 square centimeter, which is our answer. Okay, students. So this way you can multiply length with breadth, and at the end you will get the answer of area of rectangle. Okay, 12 7 are 84 square centimeter. It's the answer. Okay, go ahead. Okay, next we have is 10 10 10 10 means length only we have 10 meter. Here nothing is written, that you can consider as a meter also. So 10 meter we have is, so only length is given means it is area of square. Okay, and area of squares formula we have is length multiplied by length. Now 10 will be multiplied with 10 and you will get the answer. 10 tens are, yes, 100 square meter. You have to write square meter. Okay, so this way you can find the answer of areas given numbers and figures also. Go ahead. Okay, next I have is 15 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter. So this will be area of what? Rectangle. And formula of area of rectangle is length multiplied breadth. Okay, so we'll just write 15 and 10, and 15 tens are, we know that 150 square centimeter. Okay, students, so this here you can, it will be easy for you to find the area and the parameter also. It will be too much helpful in the higher standard for you. Okay, so you should keep in mind this concept. We'll go ahead. Next we have is 17 centimeter. Okay, only length is given means this will be area of square, that is length multiplied by length. Okay, 17 will be multiplied with 17 only. Okay, if I multiply for you, okay, so 7 sevens are 49, 4 carry, 7 1 is 7 plus 4 11, cross will be here, 1 7 is 7 and 1 1 is 1, 9 we have, 7 plus 1 8 we have, and 1 plus 1 2 we have. So answer will be 289 square meter. Okay, student, so this way you can go ahead and find the area of the given figures and the numbers. Okay, it will be easy for you to go for the chapter. Okay, in the next sessions we'll go for the textual exercise or some more exercise regarding the area and parameter. Kindly keep this concept in your mind. We'll meet in the next sessions. Okay, students, thank you.